Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this authentic delicious Nigerian goat meat and yam pepper soup. I call it the winter warmer because it is perfect for the winter cold and the chilly days. So grab a seat and let's get started. Let's make some pepper soup spice mix. Here I have some Negro peppers, some cloves, and some country onion. The peel of the country onion has to be taken off to reveal this tasty aromatic nut. This is how it should look when the peels are taken off. I also have here some calabash nutmegs. For the calabash nutmeg, I like to get it roasted like so, then crack open the shell. This is how it should look when the shell are taken off. There are several other spices that are combined to make up pepper soup spice mix. But these spices I have here are the most essential spices that brings your pepper soup to life and gives it that inviting aroma of an authentic Nigerian pepper soup. Let's get cooking. Here I have my goat meat to pour it into the pot. Slice in onions, add it to the pot. Add my chili pepper, some bouillon cubes. Add a tablespoon of Cameroon pepper. Add some water, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Add in my pepper soup spice. Add some water. Add salt to taste. Stir. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add in my diced ginger and garlic. Cover and cook the meat till 90% tender. To prep the yam, I cut into 2 equal halves. I'll use 1 half for this recipe. I went ahead to slice the yam into round shape. I peel off the backs. If you've watched up to this point, I am sure you are loving this video. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make more videos like this. This species of yam tends to get yellowish or brownish if left to sit after peeling. So each yam I peel, I put it immediately into a bowl of water to avoid discoloration. After peeling off the bags, I slice the yam to my preference and put it back into the bowl of water. And I rinse the yam twice with fresh water. And my yam is all clean and ready to go into the pot. I check the meat to see if it's ready. My meat is 90% tender. I add the yam into the pot. Add my chili pepper and I stir. I add some water. And I add in the remaining pepper soup spice mix. And I stir. I cover and let it cook till the yam is tender. Here I have some spinach to slice and add to the pepper soup to give it some color and freshness because I am using dried scent leaf for this recipe. I add in my dried scent leaf and I stir. I add in my spinach and I stir. And I cover and let to simmer on medium heat for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, our authentic Nigerian goat meat pepper soup, the winter warmer, is ready. Look at this deliciousness. And I enjoyed every bit of it. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make more videos like this. And I will see you in my next one. Till then, keep winning and living your best life.